judges, paalala lang po, ang iboboto ninyo ay ang act na gusto nyo nang umuwi ngayong gabi. Are you ready, judges? Ang gusto kong pauwiin, siyempre, ang take-off. Alright, that is one vote for take-off. Mr. Gary D.
I believe in my group talent. Mark, I believe in my group more.
One vote for Mark, one vote for take-off. Martin.
Gary, I also believe in your talent. As much as I love Mark and as equally as much as I love Takeoff, I'm going to have to stick with my gut feel. I think Takeoff is going home. I'm sorry. I love you guys.
2 votes for take-off, 1 vote for Mark. Again, ang pangalan na babanggitin na natin judges ay ang pangalan ng gusto nilang umuwi ngayong gabi. Sharif, basta ka! Oh my God.
Yung decision ko, babasin ko na lang sa talent at kung sino talaga yung may X-Factor na sa tingin ko magiging unforgettable ang tatagal. Ang uuwi,
Sharif, we need your vote, please. Sharif, kailangan na natin ng vote mo. 2 votes for take-off, 1 vote for Mark. Sharif.
I can't vote really.
Will it now take off or Mark?
I'm gonna say Mark.
2 votes for Mark, 2 votes for take-off.